Hello friends, sometimes you want to use another operating system other than the operating system you use on your PC. So today I will tell you how to use some of the operating systems online, and you can also use it anywhere by signing in on other PC. So let's see. First, you have to go to linuxzoo.net. Link is in the description. You have to make your account. From here, you can make your account. I have already my own account, so I will directly sign in. From here, you have to click on join queue. Then you have to, if you have to use the previous image, then you can choose this, and if you want new operating system, then you can choose this. From here you can choose which operating you have to use. We will use Linux CentOS. Then click on switch on. Then from connect you have to go here. And then click on here. So you will see here the operating system. Then you can click on, then it will ask for a password. Then you have to open the tab. Here the password is given, which is secure. Then you have to sign in. Sorry, my caps lock was on. Here you will see the operating system. Then you can work on it. Now you can use the operating system here. So from here you can also log off. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe and like and comment the channel. Thank you.